any boy we. I want this certificate to be apart from marriage certificate.
Exactly.
I be catching a more say. Make Afrifa me degree. Nanim. One ba. Odika accuse you. Unfairmo. No, I call you say nyano koda. But I be prove say. Now call law moi. Your friend be actually incubate probation. Say he who alleges must prove. He who accused must prove. It's coming who ye. Kajeche ni certificate no. Na ka de media be kire say me ni bi. Na mo wo twa ntro ni wi a. No aka kire wo say come and prove say wo certificate. Are you a fool? Me be page ma wo ho na be pe den. I never accepting nonsense with. I was Abraham Me was first degree in public administration. Me was second degree in masters in international relations as masters. I made a law. I was Gempa. I branch away to me that amount for say. Martina Gempa for 7 years. Make me no one yet. I'm more normal. I branch away because my repi agona mind him. I was one for police report by Kokurama. Mujidi because of Unkwasiasemunji.
Precisely so.
Because he's been sent to come after me. So he does these things. Or they call Yereswa. Or they call Weswa. Or they call Weswa. Not just a woman in Anna catcher saying ye and Kasa Yedin. Are you a fool? Is that how we build a nation? The modus operandi new. And people can see through it. See, I see a teacher of mine. That's your baby way, dear. Way near the teacher of mine. And he accepted the way. So branch you and I'm a tons I say man crofo na me say when me for police report to Baku say I must say per this police report okoto asase man nipa we am ye che no it is say when me for be am ba what did mu ye normal how did you accept this thing as the norm them Obi no ana kwa Afrifa na ne kwati ewu na ne kwati ketekete ne money blow Jordan na wonye gay ya me kwati ewu ne ketekete ne aka we ye nkomo
more fire
ni atimi atena ma branch ahwe ne ikoto we picture wo twa ni 2 weeks hwe ni koto dwanim boye wo hwe ni koto hwe ni koto dwanim kotwa etimi didi obiatem Kofi well what 20 pa ho na branch yi ana me ye short ya ye wo dem he Kofi me nsuro menka me ye short na na pon na e bia we pe na wache na e ya manfo na dwene wo dwene ho a won tie ase wonim se said your tears I no describe ni pa and I know try the full picture by ni hu yi
fane na ne to so
man gina ho no na e
on fane na ne samra
asa bebe more fire
atia ben ya ne sa
more fire fane na se bra
Kofi
le na se
na oye otimi ye memasem ana ya to abawie me wonim se Kofi abrante we na first day I make call your friend say Angel the very first day I'm kodu ho no anopa ana o ma bailiff e dey rep court summons bi ba ye say makoka bibia tia ne papa it o mess me wonim se funny enough 2 years ni o ma court da and no starting in kwasi asem ya and was I say then your case in yes and start be and the people believe nonsense
more fire
how did we get here see e be ma kwan mo obi di nkrofo yerenom nkrofo ma nkrofo abusuafo where you fighting corruption how did this become fighting corruption
more fire
nti my yes so no message
the bidda
na me hunu yi ya to abawi na se wo se wo di aban aba no problem hey moko we mkobo no moko che no moko hye and so because no ono ankasa te abuchiri oye coward
exactly
so onye coward a sa branch we
fire
oba ye first day oba Ghana otena United Airlines omo ya na obi liki ma me say unua ne na Washington oba na me say okay no problem now let me tell him oba bedu ye gate 15 omo de fine na me ya we now just so you know that even people around you don't like what you are doing baby anu onam bia na me ya we me de car numbers go Facebook and na me kire o decide so obekọ aye odo na me ya we o decide so obekọ na nim one ne papa di boni bi wa aye odo oba aye na ma sheda na menka ho ase and crime has no expiring date no statute of limitation on crime. Oh no, Papa. When government changes, you pay for it. Wabedi boni bi o. Oba ye ya wadi. Oma di boni bu ayo. And I'm aware. Now oba ye branch say. say me num obe take something precious away from me na me hunu say nkrofo decode say obeye juju ni ade nya juju so actually the conversation across for national security ni say me ma catch national security coordinator say oye jomama boy dia they will come after me now one of the things they will do me grant some voice in a unique here they will make sure they hit my voice it is idea no obenum nsuo ba fra yire say obenum nsuo by entimi nru minim it means they will infect my throat with something just so I can't talk na wajiminti o ka asam kire no a oba o kan say the one dey beye it was a plan of the national security so against me national security me no ka say o makoje me call records a o mu tracking crofo a me no o mu din komo every day trace wo mo me awe
more fire.
After omu wie ya omu se me car metwie no ombeje car no because I was a national security coordinator ye boy Ora Osman woni akoma ntimi nya national security wotimi fa national security so hurehuru obi akurima there are more pressing issues on national security that borders on national security wotimi fa me nya yastic pa mu nkume nya masem car no ekura me no me nwia car se me wia car mo fa nko court na court meje nyo obi aka ye mekwa Afrifa me car ana nya aban na de car ma me eji se mo se mo otumi a na se mo ya sa de we se mo be yusu force a me nka hwe de mo se de tumi no ani podua no anka na ntwe ne to no akufa do ATS abetwam I can bet you honestly one government change obi obeya sa de ne bia me I'll come after you precisely so yes mo kume some se mo nya nkwase ade ne jimi da bia mbeya pound for pound Sadi akufa do ba ye nneoma mo se mo be reset mo ba de mo ye worse exactly obi anwere obi awu fire afa branche say wabagana na me no a aka me ba ye no meye ye friend say press conference we airport no ma to sign secretary of farming town ashe shoe red any khaki any check kurasini we abranche we obi ompomwie no wa we awoba ye first no na wo betrasia aya hwe ne lakos ba ko bi blue bi wonsesa no anu atwetwe pa obi otasha pa emso okoko cinema nta de wi a oye ya ne nsa hu ahuro wonso sori ya na wa betra ho na woba ye ya pesi kama no onse esi wo hyehyɛ lane shirt ana wato go chin kito bi ato ne botnuku no wa supaku so go chin
more fire.
Wagakupali. Oba na jomama nenemu. But you are a fugitive of the law. Okay, Bintila.
Precisely.
Nana aguni say obetimi atena America. No what did say morning. But you were electronic act ye diaba. And you were Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960. Act 29. Na oko constitution imwa. Article 1921 and there can be said when we say criminal offense it shall be the criminal offense of Ghana which the court will have jurisdiction over it and for that matter which is outside the territorial integrity of this nation the court will not have ordinarily a jurisdiction over it but you know something there is a principle in law called the initiatory jurisdiction of a crime and the terminatory jurisdiction of a crime we make a one TSM because I'm lecturing you it is a way idea wo baby na say you feel the impact of sad no so baby although one yes hard no e wo ho but because crime no happen wo no the court can sit on it me no ka say oni esankuma o twantro to esankuma so with that fact na ka wo so wo no fight for mine na so aka no kradia ke fra court nyamrika na ade ba Fatuso Esankuma led by Tadio Sorry. Yes, speaker lawyer. Speaker lawyer names Wodim Kwasasemuti. Odi Esakumbachi and a koye. Omokoye yama full judgment. Fadienbra. 2.9 million and you award against Kevin Taylor.
More fire.
I never know.
Fire him.
I never you accept this on your way. I never know.
Fire him.
And it's a must say ye chichiro maya. Emma ye didi o matem na kwasia aboa na kwasia ade ba no no e dey say mu say wo de obi amaame e ba besi ho a oboa nipa ne nya hwe ya bo ne pa ababa wa bi ne kobo ne pa so omra after me wonim say mrantie ye ba e angel so mba hwe me no sa kwa na ye ona bo mo pa afi oba ya wo tete What is it? The NTR what it is a warrant done so. Now the government doesn't want to be seen to be the one aiding him in evading the warrant. You were a fugitive of the law. You were a criminal. Now you see, Kevin, my can't say Kevin is a court warrant and so active court warrant and so. Kebedu, Amabedu, Yama Taylor. Ama Taylor, my can't say you must be a young for. We just don't talk. Now we are bofra, we are near Massa bofra. Abante. A drew baby, Suya Diakakra, Enra, Minyan and Tiaso di JB Dankwa by. Now watch who is JB Dankwa? That is the kind of conversation we should be having. Devoid of Kwasia, Abua, Jimmy. Intellectual analysis and discourse to build a nation is what we are looking for.
More fire.
Around there, you have to learn. Precisely. So what's your idea? Kwasia abuano ebe reduce.
Exactly. So,
because when they are things to see, metia, my children know to tin. Maybe my children know to you my children be my children tin. Yama o hobe bresa meka. Ada kwenya ta maka kwasia ne abo.
Nabi, time ni ho.
What you say?
Ebre ni ho.
Wo ba ya odo, wo ye ni ade menene to wa na okosse san ka, okotena bi fufu. Obi? Oh yeah. Can she are building nation here. We cannot accept this. And you're part of nation building. You did think of former Amenumatem. Eddie Bessiwo. And you're part of it. We cannot. No. Mr. Remo. So we'll be so fighting. Kwakutela. Amatela. So we'll fight your man Crawford here. That's a man for one. For documents, brass. Say nipa we ABC. Apart from the okwa editia, ye fro court to abedwane said he is akuma de odwane yi. Na woti abrochire ninti. Why do you also we are entimi affected? No what or threaten make Afrifa. You will take something precious away from me. Me say me nimboni a no papa di no aye odo. Oba ye ya. Ashada na menka wasem. Now when you try that nonsense with me,
regret.
Powerful.
More fire.
And yakasa we respect the law, but my catcher on yakasa. Yakasa.
More fire.
Don't do that. What?
More fire.
So please, with the greatest of respect to you, in fact, I want to even give you the respect you don't deserve. Where Jimmy to do? Where Uncle? Meanwhile, na me mo abrantie din babia wo wiase dem. Me finding Harry. Afemi da sorry no pabia. Say me SG di ma command no so me mu na ken na and the same girl na this abrantie we. Ayi anafi. Akoma no.
Waton.
Na wo sa girl no there. Be careful. Minim say sabre wo hwe me. Be careful.
More fire.
I'm gonna tell her, we don't do this. Yeah, build your mind. We don't do this. Some mercenary job, political mercenary job. We don't do that.
More fire.
Yes, small one. No, and the people believe it. Because now, clearly you could not tell. Na kente sadia kebe ma koto dwe etimi didi ketechi atem e wa bra ma nantu asifom keteche ye awradi nyame enra wa so yesi koti kete na aye govunim ma me bi na branche bi koye na ja okofa no na oye na sese wo mbo agro wi na ma me ye no se branche na so anga se o guitar ni swasa no se na so anga se be perform me hospital stadium kam di guitar kese ba ejia bia ni pa no be ka kire wo no na enye me na me guitar ni swa na sports stadium na ne e perform na mo pese o hunu se so ya yi ni ayi a Melissa Taylor o yire no 2 minutes. So about you cannot bully us. Stop it. Do intellectual analysis. Tenacity. Your notes. Speak to them. Only be a bit me a frail lawyer be a friend. A international relations person be a say make me a resource person. What I say? But this question about Oh. Man for na gwina wu.
Mr. Y and Mr. Kill.
I say good.
Mr. Y ne
Kill.
So, gentlemen, you don't deserve to be called a gentleman, but I want to give you that respect. Listen to me. You should stop crying like a baby.
Exactly.
You came to war with knife, and we met you with machine gun.
More fire.
But this time, let me tell you something. So we need first a year encounter. Me knew me information. It was more than 3 months. And I mean, you know why? So we will be a kwasiampo. What planning idea at the home? Daily. And it will name and one planning. Yes, you kwasiana what planning. What? I said, we because we name and one planning. Meet me information, and I still have you information. But I'm looking for the right time to deal with you. And it's our banter back and forth. Me interested. I wish you could meet me one and one. Then you look in my face and you say the things you say.
So
you can't say it, bro.
More fire.
When you meet me, you can't say it.
More fire.
We have a wusu. I will take something precious away from you. I will take something away from you. You take something away from me.
More fire.
it's me about one meet and greet.
What me about one meet and greet? Egane. Why do I enjoy selfie? I enjoy selfie.
More fire.
Don't do that, okay? You must grow. You must become better. A better version of you. Why you kwasi I didn't watch it. Na sa ko dia kasebi. Was what Jimmy kakra focus. What is is there this for abai? Ade na gu. Oh yes, who's you good? That's what they do. Make you get a china. When you got away, my viewership. Next time, Baba. Don't do work as she. Eti oyine mesrewa jai ma na wo yini bi why na we yakwasia aboa jimi kwasia sante hene ayi asante fo nyina otimi di dinta and I know say ayi mkrofo mo sponsor me any party ba ko yan disini na say do see denigrate osika ba ko yan disini we tani
Just look at that.
and still the people otimi di enkrafo so no choma da pa otimi still the people and you see the question people don't even understand it. There's something called Stockholm syndrome. When people fall in love with their abuser and the oppressor, Stockholm syndrome. That is exactly how the people are feeling when it comes to this guy.
Exactly. So
But don't bring that nonsense on me. I am above it.
exactly.
If you want war, let it be between me and you.
More fire.
Face to face.
Exactly.
Don't go and hide behind social media and say nonsense.
Nonsense. More fire.
Yeah, Kaba Yosi Katache, me yes, what they are cutting the page. Say, Katache, you see, you nearly lost your breath because there's one of them, no home, and then go for any when this guy meets me one on one, he will shit in his pants.
Precisely. So
I mean, him to say Jata, me come sing, especially me before. Now, who's a man in the Dania? It said, Jata, you are dead. I am good, you. I mean, who's a grofo, Munimune catch and say, you don't know the guy you are messing with. Nasa or Banu or buy or then somebody wa wokano. Busawa Banu, who I am.
More fire.
And Yakasakiku. Bad boy on the street, knowledge and everything. I am above you.
exactly.
Na nyame na adom ye we ye free street and what dia ba ne ye nyoma si wache wakene e ma me fine boys am na ada o la ko bisa Armstrong go mega chiro Taifa ko bisa no
More fire.
ko bisa bone mo mega chiro bozi mo ko ka chiro bisa mo baba mega chiro. Don't do that. You are my brother. Don't do that. Stop being a fool. You have to learn some common sense. Huh? It is not